Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're welcome back. I don't always look like this, but I'm in the middle of a challenge. Let's Be Real Kay had this whole concept of opposites attract, where half her face she did makeup one way and half the other she did the other. Like she did like almost a fiery eye and then like an icy eye kind of thing going on. And she basically issued a challenge. It's to win a Prism palette. I don't really need it, but I was like, this is so much fun. I should have done it for Halloween. I should have the thought. I'm creative enough to take a thought and run with it, just not make one up my own. It's okay. So I just filmed one, and I decided to keep this because I can work with this, and I have another idea that I'm like, yes, I need to get done, and I have like 20 minutes to get it done because I'm fixing to go live and do another bigger one. So this needs to be completed by then. It's going to be. So this one is going to be an alive person and a skull. So let's see how white I can make my face without, too bad. I'm trying to decide how to do this. Follows on this cheekbones. Yeah, but we're going to go with that as a base. I'm going to take this black cream. This thing's awesome. This is from Makeup Revolution. I really need to practice this, like more. So I'm just going to take it and run with it. Wait, I didn't really have to do much to the side of my face after I have good makeup on. Or someone It's called finger painting, kids. Sorry, play music, watch me pass time. Hopefully I won't take too long. This is really good makeup though. I mean, I tried some crap stuff at Halloween that didn't work out that great. This is really good. This is called the Freedom SFX Professional One Day SFX Ghost Stories Kit. And I think it's pretty awesome. Try to diffuse this a little bit. That, but like a little diffused. That's gonna be like a trip, man. But I can edit this in any way, like to add music and speed up, or at least add music, I will. I'm feeling it's that glam glow that broke me out. oh, it smells like Starburst. I'm like, why don't you like something that smells like Starburst, Skin? It's awesome. It's an awesome concept. Why don't you like it? My skin doesn't actually. It just doesn't. This thing wasn't expensive at all. It was like $7 or something like that. I got it like way too close to Halloween to really use it. Bump it. Bump that mess. Yeah, I wouldn't have an eyebrow. Cover that. I should have glued it down and covered it. Gray on that finger. Black, I guess. Fake. Now I'm taking that like, oh, I'm like still having a conversation with myself right here. It's totally okay. I wonder how much of an eye socket. My cheekbone's right there. Like my eye socket was literally that small. My brow bone is like right there. So I would like to have the smallest eye socket in the world. It's awesome. Okay. Again, what are we doing? This is like one part you practice is like the teeth. You watch some tutorials. Get that down. Look at X-ray more often. How do your teeth look like in your head? Type of thing, you know what I'm saying? This isn't a cute Dia de la Muertes. Was it Crispy who like did a really good one for Halloween? Yeah, I think she did. My knee work. Lots of practice. I hit that powder, and that powder is like gliding in between these really good. Actually define a teeth more, you know what I'm saying? I hope I'm not taking too much time, because I really do have to go live. used to have some. I don't know where they went to. And that looks like teeth. This looks like a big old mass. Okay, let's get use that ghost contour kit. I'm loving it. I'm kind of loving this though. It's not the best, and I need to practice more, but it's like, it's almost there. Like, I can work on it. I need to work on my teeth a lot. I kind of like it a lot. Okay. I'm digging it. It's better than Halloween. Okay. Alright, I do go. But thank you for watching, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't already. It goes through the 21st. I know it's Halloween, but I'm having fun, y'all. I'm having fun. Alright, thank you for watching, like, and subscribe. Toodles!